COVID concerns on two fronts, as the American Academy of Pediatrics reports 250,000 cases among children.
That's the highest figure of weekly cases since the pandemic began. And a new strain of the virus is adding to fears. Fox's Brett Lemoyne is live outside Children's Wisconsin with local numbers.
Yeah, and according to state records, 88% of hospital beds throughout all age groups in Wisconsin are currently in use with patients hospitalized with COVID. It's the highest level in months. And now we're learning new information about a variant being watched closely. While Delta remains the dominant variant in most coronavirus cases, health officials are now turning their attention to another mutation, Mu.
A percentage of all samples are tested for all variants.
First identified in Colombia earlier this year, Mu has been detected in 49 states and 42 countries. California is currently seeing the highest number of Mu cases in the U.S., but locally,
I have not heard of any local cases of the Mu variant, but you can visit the Wisconsin State Lab of Hygiene website, and they have really great variant information online.
The lab reinforcing the small state percentage with its data. Hospitalizations, on the other hand, are rising. Advocate Aurora alone is reporting a 22.6% increase in just the last week across all age groups. At Children's Wisconsin, the number of kids in the hospital who tested positive for COVID jumped from 11 in June to 61 in August. At UW Health,
we have more cases in the hospital of kids with COVID than we've had since January of this year.
Dr. James Conway says this wave among children is starting at home in households with unvaccinated adults.
I think we know the things to do. We know that we need to be vaccinating everybody that can be vaccinated. We need to be wearing masks when we're in conjugate settings. And then we need to hold tight and be patient and give science time to make sure we work out what are the right doses and when can we start vaccinating kids. We're hoping it'll be by the end of 2021.
Now, by comparison, the number of kids at Children's who tested positive for COVID in August came close to numbers not seen since last December. And at its peak in November, 78 kids had tested positive. Reporting live in Milwaukee County, Brett Lemoyne, FOX 6 News.
All right, Brett, thank you.